What is going on, YouTube? It is your boy SRT920 Shung back at it again with another banger. I got something cool that will help me do some digs and help me be a little bit lighter. So we got this aluminum one-piece drive shaft. I got a shout out to my boy Zach. He's been just plugging me with all his stuff since he sold his drag pack. He gave me his catless mid mufflers. Got some wear on them, but you know, it's a straight pipe. So I guess we'll see if I ever end up going catless. Now I have the pipes if I ever want to go there. But we got the hardware right here for this one-piece drive shaft, all in this little bag. So I've never done anything like this, so we're about to find out how it is. Get her jacked up on some jack stands, and then it should be pretty straightforward. But as you can see, my car is mad dirty. I got fingerprints all over, bugs all over. It's disgusting, as you can see. We even got that. It's like, bro, I never let my car get this dirty. It's just cake and dust and everything too. So let's get her jacked up and get this one-piece drive shaft on. One of my jack stands gave. Ass end. I had the jack on it, swung over. Look how close that is. Anyway, I realized I do have to do this in the garage because I'm on a hill, my driveway, so that's why my jack stand gave. I was trying to go back and forth and raise it up little by little on each side, but clearly it's not gonna work like that, so I gotta come in the garage. Now I gotta deal with this tight area. I still can't believe the thing swung in and almost got pinched in between the cars. I was sitting there holding it. Felt like Superman. Pretty much just gotta drop this cat back all the way to the end. So it looks like it's just being held up by grommets, and then we will be replacing. I'll get a flash, hold on. There we go. So this drive shaft actually looks fairly new.
What the fuck is that?
Like, it still has all the marking and all that good stuff. No dings or nothing. We're replacing this whole thing, and we're gonna do the one piece. So first step is to get off this cat back, and then it'll be out of the way and we'll have clearance for the drive shaft. I'm missing a bolt. Jesus Christ, that's actually good to know. Didn't see that. So good thing I am replacing the two piece with the one piece, because that's an expensive fix if that thing would have messed up. So glad I'm actually catching that, and I'm glad I could get that on the tube. Yeah, we'll be getting to the cat back, and then yeah, we're gonna start from the transmission, the middle brace, and then to the differential, and then hopefully we can see how this goes. With this, I know the two piece, it has a little bit of a bend in this part, I bet. So the one piece, I guess that'll be the interesting part. So after some fucking snaggling and finagling, where was it? This black thing was like seized on there and had to hit it with a 2x4, and it ended up popping off. But yeah, this thing's fucking junk compared to this one. But I had help from my brother from another mother and father. So I did end up dropping the exhaust just a little bit. I took off the hangers and stuff so I could have some clearance with the drive shaft itself. So what size was that, do you know? A T50 Torx bit to get the OEM one off, and then the aluminum drive shaft comes with Allen's, so I have those. But then make sure I don't have the proper lock type, but we're gonna use the blue one. And then should be good. Take it for a test drive. See how it goes. I hope it don't turn out shaking or something like that. There you go. So that plate, I was told it's on the older models of these drive shafts, so that's the reason for that, because now they made newer ones where it's just all one piece. So get once that adapter plate's on, then this is the front, so we already marked it so the lines will line up, and then it'll be the install for the drive shaft. It's kind of a pain in the ass. Make sure you have well, you don't need to, but it would be nice to have a 90-degree what? Yeah, flex ratchet. Or an electric one too, those are nice. That's what got it off for me. My buddy came through and helped me out, so nice of him. There's a good view of it. Shit fingers.
You think Ryan would buy fucking toilet paper?
Yeah, fresh out of the shit, he came over here and started working on it.
Brother,
But yeah, that's what that adapter looks like. So clear view. That shit looks gross.
What's that, brother?
So yeah, once that's on, everything has to get torqued to 52 pounds of torque. We're just gonna do it by hand because we don't have an actual.
It's all in the elbow. So when the elbow clicks, it's when to stop.
We fuck around, get some arthritis.
And see, that comes from sitting up there pulling on that motherfucking knob. Time.
But yeah, once that's on, then we'll get to installing the actual one piece, and then should be good. Hopefully she doesn't vibrate. I also discovered I have a brace on my differential, so that's news to me. White man working for the brown man now.
Wait till you get the invoice.
Cowboy boots. Where's the buckle belt?
Oh no, it's just completely dead.
Is it really?
Yeah, that's only
Fucking completely dead.
Oh, just as soon as I get up there.
Come on. Where you find the hole?
Come on, bitch. Oh, bitch.
She dead now? Ah, she's dead.
You know what? I have fully charged batteries upstairs too.
Oh, classic. He keeps trying it.
You never know. Back to the old fucking wrist action.
Took a deep breath before doing it. Yeah, this is the process.
It's 50.
Felt
the click.
You're not trying if you're not grunting.
Felt the click in the elbow.
Yeah, that's how you know. That's about 50. Oh.
Oh!
I hope that's a
Speaking Indian?
yeah. Native side's coming out.
I'm more of your unknown warrior. William Knife Man.
Is that a good view?
You're fucking ugly ass.
Fuck you. Like I'm doing some real work. Doing some real man's work right now, boy. Boy.
This thing doesn't tilt back.
It does, you just gotta mess with it a little bit. On the God damn it, I can't tell if I'm in a hole or not.
Imagine that.
Yeah, it's showing you how a real man does work here.
Yeah, okay.
What the?
Did you ever charge that battery?
Charge a battery. Battery for what?
The electric ratchet?
I didn't know you. I thought you said you didn't. You need a special charger for it.
Yeah, you do.
Okay. Yeah, I ain't got
Ain't
that.
that about a bitch?
Exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go.
Sesame Street over here.
Yeah. Learn how to count again.
Count Dracula.
What?
Count Dracula.
Oh. Oh shit! I need Loctite on these too.
Idiot.
God damn it! Damn it! Fuck this! I'm done recording now.
What?
And I keep fucking knocking. Goddamn weld right there got me. There's shit falling in my eyes. I can't get this one bolt. Get out of my face. God damn it,
Move
dude.
your fucking fat ass hands so I can see what you're doing.
Well, I gotta get this damn bolt out. Out. Here it goes. Fuck, it's not going. It stopped spinning. We need to rotate this. You're about to show me up with that shit.
Okay, spinner.
Yep.
Are you cut it?
Fucking white meat. Tetanus. Hey, where's the Loctite at?
I don't know. I gave it to you. I'm probably running it over, squeezing it all out.
How much you put on here? Just a little bit.
Yeah. About a tube, a bolt.
Tube bolt. You just gotta get one side, right? I've never really done the
just
Loctite.
one side. Yeah, of course you haven't.
I've never done this stuff before. Like I tell everyone on the YouTube channel, I'm a YouTube mechanic. That's what I am.
All we know.
Oh, yeah. Quality work right here. But she fits nice and snug though. So running into an issue. Me not having the proper tools. Can you hold that for me? Yeah. Just close enough. So thankfully my buddy's here because
I'm here, but the tools are at home, so.
yeah. So yep, making a quick trip and yeah. What is going on? Back at it. I didn't get to do an outro because it was getting late and I just wanted to get it done. So yeah, Driveshaft's on. We went for a spin around the block, but we're gonna see how she goes just driving casually. Just a little quick drive. Gotta do some grocery shopping, so might as well shoot a quick video. I'm hoping I can get this low enough to. I wonder. Nope. Car's too low with the tripod, so hopefully recording it like this. Do it. It drove fine when we went a little bit around the block yesterday, but I never really took it on the highway like that, so I was just telling the wife here, it's a little bit more nerve-wracking when you're installing these parts because you gotta make sure they're on correctly. But so far, No vibrating. I don't really want to like fucking step on it. It's holding up well. Yeah, she feels fine, right? Can you tell, like, does anything feel different? No? Well then, okay.
I don't know if that's the powder.
The what? Wobbles? It seems like it's driving fine. No, people were trying to say that the aluminum one is a lot lighter than the stock one. I was holding both and it felt damn near the same. Well, I mean, I almost hit 100 and it's holding up fine, so yeah, I mean, this video isn't really going to be that interesting, but that's one mod that I got on here. I almost killed myself doing this one. I told the wife, showed her a picture. It was real close of getting pinched in between this and the Malibu, but yeah, she's handling fine. So yeah, I got the one piece installed finally. Now the wife could be happy now that I won't be buying any more mods anytime soon.
Yeah, right. Until you find something else you want.
It'll be a little bit before anything, but yeah. So that is pretty much a Driveshaft video. It's pretty simple, straightforward. You got 8 bolts on one side and 8 bolts on the other side, and then you got 2 bolts holding up the brace in the center for the OEM one, which is right here. And on the new one piece, you don't have that, so that's something you don't even have to worry about. So you can throw those out if you want. I plan on keeping mine because I'm gonna see if I can get it fixed if I ever need to go to OEM, well, back to OEM, which I doubt because the one piece is obviously better. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty straightforward. Use a 2x4 if okay, so hold on, let me explain. So this part right here with the ball, I don't want to get my fingers all greasy. Anyways, this was seized inside of the transmission side. So we even did a hammer, banged on it. Use a 2x4 because you just put the 2x4 up there and just bang on it a couple times. Just keep going and it'll come off. So I don't know if that's how it is with a lot of them, but I had that issue. So if anyone else runs into that before, just pry it off because it was supposed to stay on this. So I'm assuming we busted it. Yeah, that is the Driveshaft video. So pretty simple, boring video, but you know, I just wanted to show how it's done and my first time doing it. I don't know what I'm doing, so shows you clearly that anyone can do this kind of stuff as long as you just put your mind to it. So I'll catch you in the next video.